Hey guys, this is Nick. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna do whatever I can do. I'm gonna do whatever I can do. Whoa, with penetration. Okay, this is the start of the game. I hope I can steal it. Yep, I can also steal you. I will steal you. I will steal you. Guess I killed a name tag. Now, just gonna do the machine gun. Machine gun is literally the strongest thing in the first sight. Then you can go through reloads. Reload. Is it just reload or like reload? I think it's just reload. I will kill you. I can kill you. I will kill you. I will kill you. Okay, I can kill you. This time you just escaped me. Oh, okay. I just escaped. What the heck was that? Okay, I'm just gonna increase my bullet damage, bullet penetration, and now I'm just as perfect as new. Okay, just gonna fill through 15. I need the machine gun. Do I need the machine gun? Yes, I do. Okay, machine gun and bullet penetration, and now I'm just as new as better. See, that bullet penetration will allow you to hit others but instead of getting hits. Reload. I need you, reload. Whoa! Seriously? I just died. Seriously, guys. Bullet penetration, bullet speed, and you saw that I just killed a 24k or something like that. I need the bullet speed more the bullet speed, the more I can. Okay, seriously, I was killed by, oh my god. I think I just need more time in this game. God damn, I'm just going to this game up and play more carefully. Yeah. Oh guys, my real name is Sadman. Okay, I just gonna go for the leader, or no, it will be just risk. I was gonna follow the bullet and gonna increase my bullet speed. Yeah, I need my bullets. I need my bullets. Oh yeah, I need my bullets. Oh yeah. I just need my bullet. Now I need to reload as fast as possible. I can hit. Ha ha ha. Okay, now we're gonna go for the leader. Maybe, or it will be just a matter of acting weird, do something. Okay, I'm just going to. I'm just going to go for that sniper. Alright, just going to fly. Okay, I'm just going to do it for him. Sorry, what was that? Okay, I'm not level 4, just 6 more levels. I just going to go to destroy, maybe. Okay, destroy. Destroy is my favorite thing in this game, which can just kill anything at any moment with a low bullet. Sorry, I'm named Tank. I had to kill you. Yep, another kill. Ooh, what the heck was that? That was the... That was not fair! I just started my game! You destroyed my career! Whoa. How did I just get the destroyer? You can see this sheath. I can just destroy anything. But what the heck was that? Only one bullet hit me with that power? Am I dreaming or something? Is destroyer even just that strong for me to hold? I just need to upgrade it to level 45. God knows if I can. I'm just going to go through the middle. I know in middle there is something special waiting for me. Or like something. I'm just going to increase my bullet speed. Okay, I just don't have net. Why? Why? Why just I don't have net now? Seriously? I don't have net. Good.